Tegenungan Waterfall is a beautiful tourist attraction located in the village of Kemenuh, in Gianyar Regency, Bali, Indonesia. Tegenungan Waterfall has a height of about 15 meters, 49 feet. The waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery and towering trees, making it a popular spot for nature lovers and photographers. The waterfall is easily accessible as it is located just 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, south of Ubud and around 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles, southeast of Denpasar. Visitors can swim in the waterfall's refreshing pool, which is about 20 meters, 65.6 feet, wide. Tegenungan Waterfall is a popular tourist destination, so it can get crowded during peak hours. There are several facilities available at the waterfall, including toilets, changing rooms, and food and drink vendors. As of 2021, the entrance fee to Tegenungan Waterfall is 15,000 Indonesian rupiahs, approximately $1 for locals, and 50,000 Indonesian rupiahs, approximately $3.50 for foreigners. Visitors can also go on a trekking adventure to explore the surrounding area and nearby rice fields. The best time to visit Tegenungan Waterfall is during the dry season, April to October, when the water flow is at its strongest. Tegenungan Waterfall is also considered a sacred site by the local community, who often hold traditional ceremonies and rituals in the area.